Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make no eggs chocolate mousse. First, melt the chocolate on a double boiler with room temperature butter. At the same time, while the chocolate is melting, add room temperature milk to the gelatin. Mix and set it aside to bloom. Now the chocolate is melted, remove it from the heat and add sugar. To the gelatin, add hot milk and then mix and put it back on the stove. Because when you add the milk to the chocolate, you wanted the milk to be hot. I just added the milk to the chocolate that was off camera. Mix vigorously until it's nice and smooth. See how shiny that is? Put them in the fridge to firm before you decorate them. Here I melted some white chocolate and I added matcha tea, so it's greenish, and I'm going to decorate with that. And don't forget to share, like, subscribe, write a comment and hit the notification bell. It will help my channel. And thank you for watching.